already been 6 months since I got this job, and I still don't really understand containers. A shipping container, also known as an intermodal container or freight container, is a large, standardized metal box used for transporting goods, especially across different modes of transport like ships, trains, and trucks. This is what I knew. What else? I don't know. Hi, thank you for calling MES, all about containers. May I help you?
Hello? I need urgent help with my container booking.
Hello, yes. Please hold on a moment.
Can you put someone who actually knows something on the phone?
Hello, this is Eric from the global sales team. How can I assist you today?
Your call will be answered in the...
Sure, regarding that matter, please feel free to call me anytime if you need anything. Sarah, come to the meeting room.